Hi guys, good morning. Anyway, ayan, nagluluto ako ngayon ng spaghetti ala Lebanese style. Ganito pa rin ang sitwasyon. Ay, nandito yung manok. Malamig na, mahangin. Tahimik pa rin ang lugar namin. Ay, bakit kayo nandito? Yung dalawang manok ko. Get out, down. Ito na. Magagalit si Queen. Ayaw ni Queen na makikita kayo. Ayaw ng aso kong isa. Galit siya. Ito baba. Halikan. Ano, Queen? Haram. Oh, kiss nana. Kiss nana. Oh, go down na. Galit. Ikaw dun. Love mo sila, love. Yan, good girl. Ito, mamili ko. So, kanina, minute ko si sis, yung nagbigay sa akin ng kangkong. Binigyan ko siya ng ripe na papaya, yung hinog. Okay. So, ito ang niluluto ko. Maghugas ako kasi nawakan ko yung manok. Magmakaroni tayo ngayon, kaya yung tawag nito, spaghetti. Sa mga bata ba, hiling nila ito. Yan, with red sauce. Ginisa ko bawang, sibuyas, at saka kamatis. Yan, red sauce ito. And dilagyan ko ng meat. Yung minced meat, beef. Ayan. Okay na siya. Maya ilutuin natin ulit. Pag saka ko lang ilagay yung pasta pag andito na sila. Kasi pag ilagay ko na ngayon, malalamog siya. Alam nyo? Magawa ako ng salad, partner ng macaroni namin. Ay ko. Saan na yung strainer ko? Nakaluto na naman si Mami Laura. Pang lunch. Yeah. Okay. Ilagay natin mamaya pag andito na sila sa ginawa kong sauce. Ang sarap ng sauce ko. Ito yung salad ko, mamaya ko i-mix. Painit natin kasi parating na ang mga bata. Ito natin yan para mamaya i-mix natin. Ganun lang guys, kasimple ang food namin ngayong araw. So guys, naririnig niyo yung dito ng dalawa. Merci! Hindi ako. Dito ng dalawa guys. Thank you! How are you kids?
Today was a talk laughing in the bus.
Why?
Because we were teaching them Chinese.
Who?
My friend.
You're not Chinese, you're Filipino. So, kumusta? How are you, kids? How's your exam, ate?
Very good.
Inshallah.
What did you cook? What is this?
Macaroni spaghetti!
Yeah!
Yay! Yala, wash your hands of it now. Yala, nanonood ako ng movie ni Sharon. Minsan nanonood ako ng Tagalog ba? Nakakamiss! Nakakamiss ang mga movie. Tagalog movie. Yung mga old. Pinapanood ko. Dito ng mga bata. So,
I know, they made also one that is, they also made the popcorn. Yeah, Mommy, look, now we have a delegate in our class, and there's three people that are fighting to be a class president. So each one say something and have to convince the people, which is us, to be a vice president, to vote for them. Look what Haiti she did. She made a water bottle in her face. Wait, can I? Wait, she's even covered by the phone. And she, is that? Oh my God, that almost looked like your phone. Yeah, no. When I drank it, something was not right. Do you think so?
how about your exam? Did it well?
Yes. But it was kind of hard, exercise 4.
Yeah.
It had made some calculations, but I was able to do it in the end.
Eh, but you make well yan eh?
Yeah.
Inshallah. So, ito na yung macaroni natin. Yan, wash your hands now. Hindi niya ang dalawa, balita ba? Ito na macaroni natin na maapaw ang sauce. Yay! Sabi ni Kian. Alam ko na favorite nila. Lahat naman ito guys, kakainin. Favorite nila ang niluluto ko. Lebanese style. Mix. I-mix natin. Yeah, fine. Wait, I will put in here. Sure. Yan po na teta. Tignan nyo naman ang panganay ko, nilagay niya sa bowl. Nilagkol na teta. Kain na po tayo guys. Let's eat po.
So delicious. I like the macaroni. Then. That's why I eat salad.
It's salad. Bring another plate.
No need for salad anyway.
Balay. It's salad. Kain na po tayo guys. Black?
Yeah.
Oh, that's hot. That is hot.
Now,
Yan ay
Asis, her car is broke. She was driving like this. I saw her. I couldn't see her, but I heard her.
هيدا البليت إلي بس رجيم صرنا
Mommy made the diet.
good.
Mommy made the diet after Daddy.
No, well, honey.
I
eat.
برافو
I want to have. You know what I have to do.
برافو
Lahay dalan. Yuki, Chinese, play
Take
hay.
on hair.
Miss hay.
ايه هيدا يعرفوا هيك
Kilo beko lay.
ايه سمول
Especially in the Philippines.
من هيك يوكي ما بتنصح سمول
Don't show me.
Moy nandera. Der good.
خلاص.
Tinduruan ko silang sumayaw. Yala. If na 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 na.
Do it, Kian. Do it, Kian. Do it, Kian.
Show your face! Show your face! Show your face! Show your face!
I just left for a couple seconds.
Like this. Na na na.
Anna, I learned this for a couple seconds.
Na 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 na. Or like this. Hindi ko na kayo mahugot. No, 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 no.
From when you learned this? No, 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 no.
La 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 la.
La,
Act
la.
like this. If I could
That is with your dad, Valentine. Is that?
My father dance me again. Tama ba yun? Na 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 na. And my love, love, love. Na 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 na. You know.
Tayyip. Huh?
Can I dance with you?
Because I don't like.
You don't like what? To dance like this?
No, not my style. My dancing is hip hop.
Hip hop. Hey, Greg.
Actually, today we had dance today. Great. I tell you that I show you the dance. It's from Mia. It's from me. Kiara want to step.
Yalla, Kalas, it's time to sleep now.
You have to sleep, Hannah. I just show up.
Yalla, I need to walk the dog. If I could dance. Yalla, let's go now. Brush na your teeth. Yalla. Hello po. Andito pa rin ako sa kusina. Katatapos lang namin kumain. And gumawa ako ng banana muffin para sa pabaon ko bukas. Yung mga banana ko kasi kapag yung medyo overripe na sila, magandang gamitin na gagawing banana muffin. Kaya may 4 na natira, so yun very ripe na sila. Yun ang the best na pag gagawa kayo ng banana muffin, yung overripe talaga na nagblablak na yung balat. So, ayan, bale 4 ito na banana, and nilagyan ko ng twist, yung walnuts. Ayan, galing sa village. The other I will make. The other ito. Gusto ng mga anak ko ang banana muffin. So, lagyan natin ganyan. Hi guys, ito na yung banana muffin natin. Ayan.
Muffins or cupcakes?
Cupcake, mama. Nilagyan ko siya ng cheese. Walnut. Yan. Ano yun? May aso. Kalas queen. Lagyan na natin sa oven.
Wait. Mommy, it's still recording the camera.
Hello.
Okay. Mommy, it is 9%.
9%.
Eh.
Tayo will charge na pera. Yan guys, kita ko mamaya pagluto na ang aming
Cupcakes.
Eh,
Muffins.
muffin ng mga bata. Yan, andito na naman sila. Umaaligid-aligid kasi alam nila na may Ayan, i-charge ko lang guys. Hindi makapaghintay, maubos ito agad. Ay, happy naman ako. Okay, maya ulit guys. Ito na ang banana muffin nila. Mainit-init pa.
Mommy, isn't stray soft?
Sabi ba to?
Isn't stray soft? Like stray, isn't it soft?
Stray?
Stray, isn't it soft?
Stray for the dog, mama.
dog.
Yan, tapos na. May pabaon na ako bukas. Okay. Lalekture kami ni Bunso English.
It is hard. She didn't explain anything.